Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document with some text. Now I align this text. At first, I have to select this text. To press select a text to drag on your mouse. Now you can see I select this text. Now you can see here are align drop down menu. Click this align drop down menu and choose your center align, left align, right align, left align, or justify. Now I choose center align. Now you can see I align text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.